Good morning and welcome to day 2.
Or 3, depending on travel day.
Depends if you count a travel day of our little Yorkshire adventure. Not sure how much I'm going to be able to film today because we're going to see Pete's granny and various other members of his family are turning up today. So may or may not film stuff. We're also planning on going into York today. I want to do a little bit of shopping. So it may be that this goes in with tomorrow's video or it may be a separate one. But you'll know by the title that I've given it. As you know, yesterday we did the feet masks. My feet feel softer. I don't know if anything else has happened to it. And we played on the Switch and we downloaded Overcooked 2, which we're now both slightly obsessed with.
You know, we played it once and we quite enjoyed it.
Pete thinks it's good for the brain.
We've already done, we're on 1.4, so we're in, we did that one, didn't we? 1.5 on over.
We're now on 1.5.
What do you got up? What do you got up? What do you got up?
You need to do the ramp thing, don't you? There you go.
I can't.
He's now just spinning around in circles. So we're slightly obsessed, and it makes us say weird things like, the rice! You need to get the rice!
Cooking classes, basically.
Yeah,
But
so...
it's very dual team. It's good for communication, I think. Or shouting at each other.
When I point at you, you don't talk, and then when I point at me, you start talking. Why? Hence communication, but I better...
Oh,
we're making pasta. I better focus, so I'll come back to you.
Steamed. Chop meat or veg, mix with flour, and then steam together. So you've got to steam it afterwards.
Okay. We'll mix things and steam things and do all sorts of shit.
Alright, so...
So fish, I've got fish over here.
Steam, what's this?
Do I have to chop it?
I'm confused. Oh, well, I've got meat.
Do I have to chop it?
Yes, yeah. Where's the steam? You passed me over here and I can steam it, yeah? Where's the flour?
Not the fish, this is the flour.
That's the flour.
Here we go, have some flour.
Oh, flour with...
You have to put it in the mixer.
Oh.
Did you not pay attention to the rules?
I'm so confused.
I've got steamers, so you need to give me the stuff.
There you go.
Yeah, I need fish to steam with it though, don't I?
The fish is... I can't.
Well, how do we do this then?
Take the fish.
Huh?
Take the fish. Put it in the steamer. There you go.
Put the rice on a plate then.
Oh, but you put the flour...
I can't do anything, Pete. So we're going to wait 1 minute 23 or we're going to restart the thing because we don't know what we're doing.
I'm not trying to
So
figure it
just
out.
restart the thing and read the rules
Why
again.
have I got these?
To chop meat. Restart the level.
Okay, shut up. Just bark it.
Restart the level. Because then we can read the rules and know what we have to do.
We've got one guy, okay? I'm so confused.
So we are now walking into York. Pete's shoulders in the shot.
There you go. Just know I'm here.
So mile and a half.
Yep.
In. Very straight route, but this saves us paying for car parking. And as you can see behind me, it's a lovely day. Nice blue sky.
Yeah, might as well.
Fairly warm.
Got time.
Yeah, so we've trusted Jeff to be back at the house by himself, but he is only confined to one room, so it should be alright. And we're going to go and pop in some shops. So as I said before, I don't know how much I'm filming today, because what we're doing is all a bit... How do I explain it? It's not filmable, is probably...
Well, I might get to see some, like, you know, Minster the Minster. And...
Yes, we might go see some of the sights, but mainly I want to go in the shops and have a look in the Shambles and stuff. Because you can't normally do that, because there's always loads of tourists around.
It's a Monday today, so it might be quieter. And
We'll give it a go. We'll show you what we show you. Currently in the Shambles, we're just in a queue for one of the Harry Potter shops. This place has changed massively since my brother was at uni here. There is a shop there called the Shop That Must Not Be Named, which has a huge queue still, despite the fact that it's, you know, COVID times with no tourists, but there we go.
The next day.
Right, we're now on day 3, but we're going to stick to the same video, I think, because I didn't film an awful lot yesterday because we went shopping and visited family and stuff, so it wasn't a huge amount to show you. And today is peeing it down with rain, so we probably won't get up to much today either. That noise is because we're having an intense battle of Uno. Currently I am winning with 8 points. We have won 1 each, but I had 0s, which Pete was not impressed with. So as usual, Pete is there.
Jeff will walk after this.
Jeff is on me.
Leave there.
So the Uno battle continues.
Just thought I'd add, after she said 17-0, gloated that.
2 games in. I wasn't gloating, I was just telling them the
Four
score.
games in, that was.
2 games we were.
It was 0-0 the first one, then you won 3 in a row. To get
No.
17.
No.
She won 8 points in the first one, then it was, 8 points in the first one, then like 4 points, and then 5 points. I remember, I'm good with numbers. Anyway, 171-40.
That makes it sound like you lost, so fine.
To me.
That was a really bad shot of your face. Pete does all the shuffling. Make of that what you want.
What do you think, Jeff?
He doesn't care. He's on my side. Bond villain. We've decided to venture out. The rain has stopped momentarily. So
Go for a nice long walk. If you get wet, we get wet. Doesn't matter.
yeah, I think it's along the river, isn't it?
Right.
What you got on your foot, mate? You good? Yeah, I think it's along the river.
Yeah.
Am I correct or am I not correct?
There is a river down here, I think.
So,
Yep.
that's the exciting activity for today. And then, I mean, it won't take much, but I'm trying to persuade Pete to do the whole afternoon tea with some hot chocolate and cake.
It's on the back of his foot, that's what it's.
Well,
What that say? Looks very spiky, Jeff.
runners.
That's what he had on his.
Ooh, Jeffy. Spiky. Oh, that was painful, mate.
If it's love that you need, you can take it from me. 'Cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. No, I'm the one who's giving
like marshmallows and whipped cream and everything.
I think mine's a medium. Pizza's a large, but they've come in different cups, so that's confusing.
Yeah, alcohol as well, so 5 quid for the lot. Pretty good. We forgot about that.
So from me and my hot chocolate, I think we're going to end this video here. So if you've liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.